Hello friends, welcome back to Mia's Spice World. Today I would be making authentic Hyderabadi Veg Dum Biryani. It's not only delicious but also very simple and quick to make. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First, we will see the veggies needed for making this amazing recipe. Here, I have taken 250 grams of clean cauliflower, 10 fresh beans, 1 medium carrot and around half cup of blanched green peas. Take a handi or a biryani pot and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in high flame. We shall start frying these veggies one by one. You can increase or decrease the quantity of the veggies as per your taste. Frying the veggies helps to coat the masala on them nicely and evenly. If you directly add the veggies to the gravy, the masala wouldn't stick to them and would taste bland. Our veggies are now fried in high flame. We can now remove them and keep them aside. Now add the blanched green peas and continue to fry them in high flame until they crack open. This gives an unique taste to our biryani. Next, add some more cooking oil to the biryani pot for frying the onions. Here, I have taken 3 thinly sliced medium-sized onions. Initially, keep the flame in medium and then slowly increase it to high, and once the onion starts to brown, reduce the flame to low. Once done, keeping the flame low, remove them immediately, otherwise they would turn black and taste bitter. If there is any excess oil, remove them in a separate bowl. Meanwhile, we will start with the rice preparation. Here, I have taken 500 grams of good quality long grain basmati rice, which I have washed gently and soaked for half an hour. Next, we will take a look at the whole masalas which we would be adding it with the rice. I have taken a small piece of ginger, garlic, cumin, green cardamom, clove and bay leaf. We would be making a small bundle of these masalas in a clean muslin cloth and then immerse them in boiling water so that all the flavor from the masalas would be absorbed by the water. Now heat required water for cooking rice and add the masala bundle to the water. Cover and allow it to boil. In the other stove, we shall start with the preparation of the masala. Here, I have taken cinnamon, shah jeera, clove, mace, black cardamom, black pepper and green cardamom. Give them a quick stir. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste and fry them for some time. Once the raw smell disappears, we shall start adding the dry masalas. First add turmeric powder, then Kashmiri chili powder and coriander powder. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. Mix them thoroughly until everything is well combined. Now add 1 cup of thick curd to the masala. The curd should be fresh and not sour. The flame should be in medium at this stage. Continuously stir them until it starts to simmer. Let's now add the veggies which we had fried earlier. These veggies are half cooked and half raw. Mix them well and add slit green chilies. Now add salt to taste and 2 tablespoons of crushed kasuri methi. This gives a nice flavor to the masala. Continue to mix until they are well combined. Here I am adding some almonds and cashew. This is purely optional, but it adds a nice crunch to the biryani. I have also added some fresh cream here. Trust me, this gives an awesome taste to our masala. Now let's check the status of the water. By this time, the water should have started to boil and the color of the water has also changed because of the masala bundle. Drain the water completely from the basmati rice and add it to the boiling water. Add lot of salt to the water and taste it. The water should taste like seawater. Then add little ghee to the water. Now cook the rice up to 70%. Take care not to overcook them. Carefully remove the masala bundle from the rice. By this time, our veggies too should have been just cooked. We shall now start the process to dum our biryani. For that, we need the fried onions, some mint and coriander leaves, few slit green chilies and quarter cup of saffron milk. We would also be needing some ghee and 2 teaspoons of khevra water. Using a strainer, gently drain the water and directly add the rice to the masala. Then add half of fried onions, chopped mint and coriander, green chilies, little saffron milk and 1 teaspoon of khevra water. Now add the remaining rice and the other ingredients one by one. The rice should be hot and not cold, otherwise the dum wouldn't set properly. If the quantity of rice is more, then you can layer the rice too. Finally, add some ghee to the rice. Biryani without ghee is incomplete, so make sure you definitely add them at this stage. Now seal the biryani with aluminium foil so that the steam is retained inside and does not escape out. Then cover it with a tight fitting lid. Preheat a flat iron tawa and slowly transfer our biryani pot on it so that the vegetable masala below doesn't get burnt. I have also kept a weight on the lid. Cook on medium flame for 25 to 30 minutes. Allow it to further rest for 20 minutes and then carefully open the biryani. Our super delicious Hyderabadi Veg Dum Biryani is ready. Gently cut the rice from the corners without mashing it up and mix them gently. Enjoy this vegetable dum biryani with nice onion raita or with any curry by the side. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback. We will be back with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.